Hey guys, Dr. Ladd here, Breakaway Chiropractic. This is Christine.
Hi.
We're going to do an adjustment. Basically, she's got a lot of tension in her upper back, shoulders, lower back. She's a cyclist, so she's riding a lot. She just did, 20 miles the other day, which is crazy.
Yesterday.
But it's good. It's keeping her fit. So we're going to kind of go through and get her feeling better. So if you want to go ahead and lay face down here,
Okay.
please. Arms on the side. There you go. Perfect. So a lot of tension. We can see elevation in her right glute. Legs are off here. There's a lot of tension from riding, and she's working out and walking and all sorts of crazy stuff. Look at how tight that is all through there.
Yes, I know.
Ay, ay, ay. Especially this right side. Just kind of drop that.
Is okay.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Now, you've been riding for how long now?
I don't know. On and off. Couple years.
That's amazing.
Yes. And the better the bike, the more the mileage.
There you go. That's always a good thing.
Yes.
Take a breath and all the way out. Good.
Yeah, that one's been big. Oh.
Take a breath and all the way out. And you're right dominant, so you're definitely pulling a lot more with this right side. Take a
Yep.
breath.
It always burns afterwards. It hurts.
Yeah. And beautiful. Good. One more here. All the way out. Good. Yeah, and these upper ribs are just crazy.
Yes, they are.
Stress
Yes.
doesn't help either.
Life.
Life.
Life. It
That's
happens.
life.
That's life.
We just gotta figure out how to deal with it, right?
Slow down. You just have to come in here.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Once a week. Twice a week.
Yeah.
Oh,
my
that's the
gosh.
one right there.
It's right here.
Yep. Oh.
God. Beat you up there, girl. Man.
Oh, you did.
Okay, we're gonna get this one. Just a little drop. Okay, on your side towards me, please. Just get that. All right. Take that breath in. We're just gonna open up this SI joint here. Oh, really? Alright, other side. Actually, I'm gonna give you a little stretch afterwards because it's just so tight.
Yes.
Nice. Oh, beautiful. Butter, girl. Just gonna open this guy up. Good. Any other plans today?
Today,
See what the day holds.
jujitsu.
Oh, yeah.
Today is jujitsu.
It's like every day, it seems like.
Yes, it is. She's getting ready for a tournament.
Nice. She got another
She
stripe
did
on her
good.
belt or
yes,
something?
Yes, saw that.
Yeah.
She's a gray belt with another stripe.
That's awesome.
Yes, we're excited. I need to bring her in here.
Yeah. She's going 3-4 days a week.
Yeah. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yeah.
So how far is gray stripe? I don't.
Well, you go from white to gray, but there's stripes in between.
Oh, okay. Nice.
She did there's like a gray white, and then there's
Okay.
a full gray, and then you do gray black.
So she got the gray black.
Yes.
Nice.
One. Yeah.
Gosh, just really tight your adductors.
I know. You need to help me
glute.
with some specific stretches that I need to be doing. I
Yeah,
need
I'll
to
show
hang
you
out
some
here and do some of those.
Just come hang out, girl. Just hang out. We'll have a stretching party.
Yes, I need to do that. I should bicycle here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you had somebody do that before, right?
This is true.
I recall it. Yes, you told me.
This is true.
You traded a lot of cyclers.
Yeah. Yeah, the glutes are just hella tight.
I don't even know how to fix that.
I'll show you.
Yeah, that's it. So that's probably making my back all,
Right, so
just
the
pulling
glutes.
it all down.
Yep, glutes get tight, hamstrings get tight, and
Yeah.
unfortunately with cycling, those are very common.
Okay.
And it just tightens everything up going to the back. So you just think of it like the posterior chain. We gotta loosen it up from the toes coming all the way to the back part.
I'm going to do that.
Yep, lumbars, everything. And that's what's gonna help. Just your neck, upper traps, mid-thoracics, everything is just very tight. You feel good after the ride, right? But typically later on, you,
Yes, that's true.
yeah, kind of kicks in. The tight, relax. Wiggle your right toes.
Yeah, do it again.
This one here.
That's it.
Beautiful. I got one more guy a little lower here. Good. Drop that shoulder. These muscles are just
Firing back.
How's the shoulder and jaw doing?
That's okay. The jaw's doing okay. It's the shoulders that I've been having problems with here. This is what's been hurting the most. This whole area.
Let me get your ribs and then we're gonna get this.
Oh, it's like it's like my bones. It feels like not the muscles anymore. Yeah, exactly.
Have you been doing anything else different?
Yoga.
That's good.
I've been working out. Pam's workout. Pam.
Yeah, these upper ribs are just all locked up and tight.
That's what I've just been doing. Oh, I'm right for it.
Take a little stretch here.
Yes.
Let's get these ribs. Shoulders now.
I'm trying to stretch more. But it's
Yeah.
not. I don't know.
Work over some stuff. Yeah, right there.
Yep.
Okay. It's gonna be a little tight.
It is. I know. I feel it.
Yeah, these biceps tendons.
Oh yeah. You like stretching
All
machines?
this. Dang.
Why?
I think just grasping that bike, grasping those handles, and lifting certain things.
Weights?
Weight, that'll do it to you. You do a lot of like bicep curls and
Yeah.
yeah, that'll absolutely do it. Is your form pretty good?
I think so. Well, I try to like do it laying down. Yes, I think it's good. I mean,
Okay.
of course it's good. Perfect.
It's obvious. I'm doing it, it's perfect.
It's perfect,
Duh.
right? If it was wrong, I wouldn't be doing it.
Just like riding for 20 miles, no big
Oh
deal.
my gosh,
It's
I
just
don't know.
it's
That
in
was a
perfect
lot.
form.
That was a lot. Yes, I know.
It's okay.
That one got me. 15 is good. 20 is excessive. I was trying to do the right thing. Just wasn't doing it.
Come on up, my dear.
Oh.
Turn facing that way again. All right. Does that feel a little looser?
It does. Better.
Awesome.
I'll be
All
back
right.
tomorrow.
Appreciate it, guys. Take it easy.
Thanks.